So from Masicka drop the song La Cabra, he might get some huge backlash from it. He might get beaten left, right and center from the Gaza camp, including Shawn Storm. So viewers and subscribers, this update is one that we're going to talk about Masicka and the song La Cabra. Such a man, big up on yourself like always, and remember, leave a subscribe.
Them call me the goat, hey mommy. We put the car in a spout. Bad bitch, all guns all bout.
Masicka put out a song today titled Goat. And the whole internet come down upon him and swarm him and want flag him. They must say him a this Vybz Kartel because of Vybz Kartel first sing about goat. But 5 months ago, Spice did put out a song titled Goat. In that song, Spice is telling you that her nunani is the goat. 4 months later, Vybz Kartel drop a song asking a question, you know a goat? Today, Masicka drop a song titled Goat, and in that song, Masicka is singing, them call me the goat. So what is the problem? What the problem is about? Vybz Kartel never made any claim that he is the goat of dancehall in his song. Neither Masicka. In Vybz Kartel's song, he is telling a story how he got out of prison and how he sent Isaac Buchanan to deal with the case, etc. In Masicka's song, Masicka is singing about gangsterism and girls. And in the hook of his song, Masicka is singing, them call me the goat. I never hear Masicka sing anything say, me a the goat. I never hear Vybz Kartel sing anything say, me a the goat. Rather than ask a question, you know a goat? And Masicka say, them call me the goat. Me don't know what the problem is about. Maybe we not listen to the artists them and think. I feel like when I take the artists them lyrics out of context and I build problem on the internet. But anyway, Masicka, big up yourself.
Yeah man, so that was shocking Murray. I make you know how him feel about the song and how the internet react to the song La Cabra by Masicka. Now we have Jungle Boss. I react to it also.
Masicka, you're a bad artist. I love how you confidence yourself. Because if you don't confidence yourself, you're twice defeated. But you don't reach goat level yet. You have a whole heap of rough to put in a dancehall to reach goat level. And you need to clash alkaline too. Yeah man, no joke about it. And in a music video, what kind of woman goat must you put in a music video? What kind of she goat you have in a music video? What you say? Yeah, she goat. Wagwan. What you do with she goat in a video? You say you're the goat and me look at she goat. Fix up that.
So Jungle Boss, I make it known, say Masicka don't reach goat level as yet. Jungle Boss also beat Masicka pan the she goat him use in the music video. So viewers and subscribers, me not gonna lie, the fans them nah give Masicka a break. Yeah man, no matter what him do, them go always call him out pan it. Cause remember, you know, them say Masicka have one flow and him drop La Cabra. And the amount of flow Masicka use in the song there. And now them a beat him pan the she goat him use in the music video. And the fact him say, them call him the goat. For viewers and subscribers, Masicka can't get a break from the fans them. Yeah man, but now me go show you what Shawn Storm say. And una go see, say Masicka and the Gaza camp, them doing good.
Let me tell you this. You boy, and you will look like you
them confused. Like the damn feud. Left from crocodile to goat, yawa. Left from weed to coke, yawa. Yawa, eh boy, yawa.
So Shawn Storm clearly a fire shot at Masicka. Him say them left from crocodile to goat, yawa. Them left from weed to coke, yawa. Remember, you know, viewers, Masicka the one was sing about whites, you know. My dog start sell whites, don't lock off the stove. So Shawn Storm is clearly about to drop a diss song aiming at Masicka. The entertainer also made this caption and it says, Them did still want to see the goat a hell. Hashtag run the place. Gaza still around the place. Niggy loading. So Shawn Storm is aiming up at this song towards Masicka. But Masicka and Shawn Storm for clash is not a good look for Shawn Storm because I don't know Shawn Storm cannot clash Masicka. You see me? But anyways, viewers and subscribers only can clearly see that Masicka and the Gaza camp don't agree. Shawn Storm a defend Vybz Kartel name and you can't rank him still. But a clash with Masicka, it not gonna look good for Shawn Storm. No joke. We don't know the lyrical capability of Masicka. You see me? But viewers and subscribers, the place I react to the song like Cabra, and Masicka get a lot of backlash from it. But leave on the take in the comments and make me know when you think about that. Big up to Masicka, he might do him thing. The fans might beat him bad, no joke. Anything Masicka do, they might beat him feet. So it don't look good, you see me? It don't look good. Anything him do, they might beat him feet. So watch on viewers and subscribers, like I said, big up on yourself and leave on the take in the comments. Remember, leave a subscribe if you're new.